Hey guys, welcome to IPSY Beauty 101. I'm Lynette Sine, one of IPSY's in-house content creators. There are so many different nail shapes that you can choose from, and I know that it can be a little bit intimidating and you may fall back on the same one just because it might seem a little overwhelming. So I want to kind of go through all of the different nail shapes for you guys so you can maybe jump out of your comfort zone, try something a little bit different, and see how really easy it can be to check out something new. Before we get started, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tip on filing natural nails. Because believe it or not, there actually is a right and a wrong way. So with natural nails, you don't want to go in a saw motion back and forth like that because that causes hangnails, and nobody wants those, and it can actually crack your nail beds. So for natural nails, you want to just go smoothly in one direction. And sometimes you'll see, acrylics you can go back and forth because those are much stronger. But I just wanted to give you guys that tip for natural nails because you want to keep those nice and smooth and safe. So let's get started with one of the most popular shapes, the square. You can do this on natural nails or acrylics, but in this case, we're going to be using natural nails. So this shape has squared tips, and you're going to want to start by clipping and filing the nails to your desired length, and then you can use a nail file to shape them straight across. And if you do decide you want to even out the sides and make them more narrow, then you can squeeze the side of the skin on your finger down and file straight across one way. It's as easy as that. Since this is such a popular shape, we've chosen one of the most popular of polish colors, a nude, which is totally one of my favorites. This one is the Pretty Woman polish called Nude or Nothing from the IPSY Glam bag, and you can use this to complete your look. The next shape that we're going to talk about is the classic oval. This is one of the easiest and low maintenance because our nails actually grow out this way naturally. You can just clip or file them to your desired length, and then you can round the corners with the same curve of your fingertips. This is a really great shape for those of you who find it difficult to grow out your nails since it doesn't have sharp edges. A white polish really complements this look, so we're going to use the TINCT nail polish in Bilbau. Alright, the next shape is the Almond, which is one of my favorites, and I know this one can look a little intimidating, but since we just did the oval, this one will be very easy. You're going to start by doing an oval shape, but find the center spot at the tip of the nail, and then file both sides around that center point. You can round out the tip so it's not too sharp. This is going to create a peak and make the nail look like, well, an almond. This polish is Trust Fund Beauty Kiss Kiss Darling, and make sure to comment below if you received this in your IPSY Glam bag this month. The next shape that we're going to talk about is Stiletto, and this may cause nails to break easily, so I definitely recommend using acrylic or gel nails for this one. Because this is being done on acrylic nails, you can actually saw back and forth on this one since it's not going to affect the natural nail, and we're going to be using a 100 to 150 grit nail file. This one is also similar to the almond nail shape but with a much sharper tip. You will want to find the center point and start filing from each side to meet the point. You will not need to round the tip like in the almond because the goal here is to have that really nice sharp point. This one is really fun to try when you're going out to an event or a party because it is such a special shape. We decided to do something a little bit more glam, so we used the DEBORAH LIPPMANN Natural Woman, and then we put a little black gem on the top of each nail. The Coffin, aka the ballerina, is a little bit more of a subtle version of the stiletto nail shape. You can find the center point and file as you would for a stiletto, but stop before it becomes a point. Once you have the sides filed down, you will want to file across to square out the tips. Doesn't it look like a ballerina slipper or a coffin? Pretty cool, right? This one is a good choice if you want to go for something bold, but still keep it really comfortable. These nails have to be long for this type of nail shape, so it's recommended that you have acrylic nails or gel, so in this case we did use acrylic. This is the KASKA Velvet Black Matte Nail Polish. It goes on shiny, but like magic, it turns matte before your very eyes. Alright you guys, I hope this video has helped guide you on how to shape your nails. Now I want to challenge all of you to step outside of your comfort zone and try something new. Keep an eye out for next week's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was really fun, and I hope to see you guys again really soon. Bye!